Hi guys, this is Sadik from Dotun.com, and in this video, we'll show you how to flash the Shamiko module in Apache and fix the Shamiko requires Magisk Canary issue. So please take a backup of all the data on your phone and let's get started. So I was just trying to pass the strong integrity test on my phone, which has obtained by Apache, as you could see. So I had to flash a few mods. I was aware of the mod because I obtained root and passed the test by Magisk as well in the past. For that, I had to use the LS4 framework, the Shamiko module, Paint Integrity, Zygis Assistant, and Trigger Store. And I was quite sure that I had to flash the same mods in the Apache as well. But when I tried to flash the Shamiko module in Apache, I was shown this issue that please install the Magisk Canary, and the issue was there and I was not able to flash the Apache onto my phone. So failed to install mod script, as you could see. So if you're also having this issue, I'll show you how to install the Shamiko module on Apache and rectify this issue as well. So let's get started. First and foremost, if you're trying to pass the play integrity test using the Shamiko module, then you may simply skip that, because in place of Shamiko, you may also use the Zygis Assistant and the Rezygis mod to get the job done. So in place of Shamiko, you may use these two mods. So simply get hold of the mod from their official GitHub page and flash the module onto your phone via the module section. As you could see, the Zygis Assistant and the Zygis module are there. Flash these two modules, and once you flash both the modules, just do a restart. And if you are using the Trigger Store as well, the keybox file, then you will easily pass all the tests without any issue whatsoever, as you could see. So the passing of the test does not require Shamiko. You may easily skip the Shamiko module and use the Assistant and the Rezygis mod to get the job done as well. Okay, now let's move ahead with the next step. But if you want to flash the Shamiko module by any way whatsoever, then in that case you may do one thing. You may use an old build of Shamiko, because the old Shamiko works well and good. In my case, I tried the version 0.5.0 and it's now working in the Apache as well. So if I now, let me show you, this is the official GitHub link. Download this zip file from here. It's quite an old build, couple of years old, you could see from here. But still, if you want to have the Shamiko in Apache, then download the module, then go to Apache, install, choose the Shamiko build from here, tap on, and you could see it's now installed onto our phone. Just tap on reboot. Okay, keep this point in mind that since it's quite an old build of Shamiko, you might face a few issues as well onto your phone with regards to the other mods not working with the Shamiko old build. This might happen, but at least you will have the Shamiko mod onto your phone. But I don't know whether it will do much good or not. Still, it's quite a handy workaround of having the Shamiko module. Just use an old build and you will then get the job done. As you could see, just wait for your phone to boot to the OS, and once it's in the OS, I'll show you the mod as well. So now you could launch the Apache app onto your phone, and as you could see in the modules, we now have Shamiko up and running without any issue whatsoever. So it's quite a handy workaround. Apart from that, there exists a couple of more tweaks. In the third fix, you could take the help of Magisk, and in that, first off, you have to obtain root by Magisk and then flash the Zygis Next and the Shamiko modules. They will flash easily because we are using the Magisk app now. So flash the Shamiko and the Zygis Next in the Magisk app, and once that is done, now install the Apache app onto your phone and patch the stock boot img file, the same boot file which is currently there onto your phone on the same stock firmware. Once you patch the boot file via the Apache, then flash the file via the fastboot command. The command is just fastboot flash boot apache boot.img. The file name might vary. It's just the file name of the patch boot file. You may change the file name as well. It's not a cause of any concern. Once you flash the file, type in fastboot reboot, and your phone will now boot to the OS. And after a reboot, the Apache will now have the Shamiko module up and running onto your phone. You simply enable it and get going. So just to repeat once again, you will have to obtain root first off by Magisk, then flash the Shamiko and Zygis Next module, then patch the boot file via the Apache, flash the file via the fastboot command, and once you boot to the OS, you will now have the Shamiko module in Apache. So guys, the fourth workaround is quite a nifty one. In this, you could simply mask the Shamiko and trick the Apache into believing that you are flashing the kernel SU, when in fact you will be flashing the Shamiko onto your phone. So for that, first of all, you have to flash the Shamiko helper KPM mod from here, and after that you also have to flash the Zygis Next module. The version should be 1.0.2 only. Any other version of Zygis will not work. So flash these two modules by Apache, and now when you try to flash the Shamiko module, the Apache will be tricked that you are instead flashing the kernel SU, and it will then easily allow you to install the Shamiko without any issue whatsoever. So when you try to flash the Shamiko, it will be tricked into believing that you are instead flashing the kernel SU, and you could then flash the Apache Shamiko mod without any issue whatsoever. Just keep in mind to flash the Shamiko version 1.0.x, and please don't use any version 1.1 plus, because that will cause a lot of issue. So after flashing the Shamiko helper KPM and Zygis Next version 1.0.0, you could then flash the Shamiko build version 1.0.x or any one which belongs to the 1.0 only, but not 1.1 plus or any higher build. So guys, these were the 4 workarounds using which you could easily flash the Shamiko in a patch, and you may also rectify the issue as well of the Shamiko requires Magisk Canary build. If you have any query with regard to any of the steps, do let me know in the comment section, and thanks a lot for watching.